Do you like Volkswagen? Do you drive a GTI? Are you awesome? Well, then you're just like me, and welcome to my channel. So to start this story, we're gonna take a time leap the whole way back to 1964, where a little lady named Gunhild Liljequist, hopefully I got that right, probably butchered it, but it's okay. She was a porcelain painter by trade and the very first woman to join the Volkswagen design team back in 1964. She was pretty cool. She played a big role in the plaid seats, and the golf ball shaped shift knob. So in 1976, after many years of hard work, design with Volkswagen buses, Beetles, the entire lineup, she was tasked with perfecting the Golf GTI's interior. And after a trip to Great Britain, where she toured for inspiration because she had GTI interior block, she came back with the what is now called Clark Plaid, which initially is called Tartan, but was originally in the Mark I Golf GTI and was passed on to the next generation Mark II GTIs. Unfortunately, for Mark III and Mark IV generation, plaid seats were gone. But they did have the VR6, so there's that. But just like the rise of the Phoenix, the plaid was back for the Mark V generation and is still available in the brand new 2018 Mark 7.5 facelifted GTIs. For somebody like myself and most enthusiasts, we can appreciate the retro styling that is still available today. And the heritage holds true specifically for the GTI. Alright guys, thanks for watching this quick video. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe. Watch some of these other videos, check out the other content on the channel. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment, let me know what you're thinking and what you thought of this video, and we will see you next time with more GTI content to come. Oh, the S2000 back here. New timing chain tensioner comes in tomorrow, so watch for that video. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Peace.